First, add in the dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorn to infuse the oil. These can easily burn, so never cook them in high heat. Stir for about 10 seconds until you can smell the flavors coming out. Quickly tip in the ginger, garlic, and the white part of the spring onions. Stir and cook them on medium heat until you can smell all the flavors coming out. Now we can turn the heat up to maximum and add in the marinated chicken pieces. Give the meat a quick shake before putting them in and constantly stir them so they get cooked evenly on all sides. When the meat is cooked through, this is when you can see them turned white, not pink anymore. Adding our prepared Kung Pao sauce. Give it a quick whisk before pouring it in, and now stir it so the sauce combines well with the chicken. Last, toss in the peanuts just to fry for a few seconds. Now we can turn off the heat and throw in the green parts of spring onions to garnish.
宫保鸡丁
If you are interested, please click on the link below.